Hello everyone, this printer is Brother MFC-J5740DW. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. You need to select the Wi-Fi image from the screen, then select Find Wi-Fi Network or WPS/push button or recover WLAN. So we need to select Find Wi-Fi Network, the first one. Wired network IF will be disabled. Do you want to continue? Then you select yes. So now it's searching for SSID and they found the network from the list. It will show you the network available. Then you select the network, select OK on the network. Then it will bring out a keyboard for you to type password for the network. So I'm going to type the details from the keyboard. Then once you put the password, then you select OK, connecting. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. And if you look on the Wi-Fi icon on the printer LCD screen, it will show you a steady blue color. So this is how to connect this printer to wireless network. And if you want to add it on your mobile device, then you need to go to Play Store on your mobile phone, type Brother Mobile Connect, select Brother Mobile Connect, install it on your mobile phone, open it up. Then you will see this app, add your machine to the app. When your machine is already connected to Wi-Fi or wired LAN, or when your machine is not yet connected. So we have already connected the machine to the Wi-Fi network. So we need to select the first option. And machine is found MFC/J5740DW. Select on it. It's processing and it will show you completed, show you the mobile phone, show you the printer with a good mark. Then it will ask you if you want to add it to your computer. Then you select exit setup. Then it will take you to Brother. It will take you to Brother for you to register, but it's not compulsory. So what you need to do is you go back to the app. If you go back to the app, it will show you the printer and it's showing us that the printer is ready. So this is how to connect this to mobile device after you connected the printer to wireless network. So if you want to print out a document, for example, then you select print document. Then it will take you to your files for you to select the document, and document is selected. So we're just gonna preview the document before we print it out. This is 2 pages document. Can select print settings. Then it give you option for you to select the correct paper, how many copies, fit to page, or fill page is on, two-sided printing, long edge, quality is normal, tray automatic. Then you go back, then you wait for the paper to show, then you select print. Printing completed. This is the document we printed out. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network and add it to your mobile phone and print out a document. Thank you very much indeed.